Welcome to my YouTube channel. You are watching MCQ for all competitive exams. Today's topic: fundamental duties in Indian polity. All our previous year question, we try to collect most important question. It shall be duty of every citizen of India to protect and improve the natural environment, and this statement refers to which of the following article of the Constitution of India? Option A, Article 21, option B, Article 51A, option C, Article 48A, Article D, 56. Answer is Article 51A. Which one of the following is not a fundamental duty? Option A, to respect the national anthem. Option B, to safeguard public property. Option C, to protect monuments and places of the public importance. Option D, to protect and improve the natural environment. Answer is to protect monuments and places of public importance. Which of the following is correctly matched? Option A, Fundamental Rights, Part 2 of the Constitution. Option B, Part IVA of the Constitution, Fundamental Duties. Option C, Part 3 of the Constitution, Citizenship. Option D, Part 5 of the Constitution, Directive Principle of State Policy. Your answer is Part IVA of the Constitution, Fundamental Duties. Which one of the following is a fundamental duty in India? Option A, separation of judiciary from executive. Option B, to value and preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture. Option C, free and compulsory education for children. Option D, abolition of untouchability. Your answer is to value and preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture. By what term the 10 commandments of 42nd Constitution Amendment Act are called? Option A, fundamental rights. Option B, fundamental duties. Option C, Panchayat Raj principles. Option D, directive principle of state policy. Answer is fundamental duties. The 42nd Amendment Act has incorporated into the Constitution of India a new chapter on option A, administration of union territories. Option B, formation of interstate council. Option C, fundamental duties. Option D, none of these. Your answer is fundamental duties. In which of the following years of the fundamental duties have been added to extinguish fundamental right in the Constitution of India? Option A, 1965. Option B, 1976. Option C, 1982. Option D, 1979. Your answer is 1976. Right to Education Act was introduced to help which of the following group of society? Option A, children of age of 6 to 14 years. Option B, college going teenagers. Option C, all adults who could not get formal education. Option D, those who are interested in technical education. Your answer is children of age of 6 to 14 years. By which Amendment Act the fundamental duties of citizen are included in Indian Constitution? Option A, 42nd Amendment Act. Option B, 44th Amendment Act. Option C, 56th Amendment Act. Option D, 73rd Amendment Act. Answer is 42nd Amendment Act. How many fundamental duties are in Indian Constitution? Option A, 9. Option B, 11. Option C, 12. Option D, 20. Your answer is 11. The chapter on fundamental duties includes Option A, duty to cherish and follow the noble ideas which inspired our freedom movement. Option B, duty to vote in general election. Option C, duty to promote the sense of fraternity among the people. Option D, duty to stick to the political party on whose ticket one contest election. Your answer is duty to cherish and follow the noble ideals which inspired our freedom movement. In which year fundamental duties of citizens were introduced by 42nd Amendment? Option A 1975, option B 1976, option C 1977, option D 1980. Your answer is 1976. Which article of Indian Constitution enumerates fundamental duties of Indian citizen? Option A Article 50A, option B Article 51A, option C Article 50B, option D Article 51B. Your answer is Article 51A. Thank you watching our video.